Hello, welcome to this channel. I'm Beulah Olarinde, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Fiverr username. Can you change your Fiverr username? The answer is no. You can't change your Fiverr username, but then here is something you can do. Log into your account, click on your profile picture, click on settings. Now you're about to deactivate your account. Why? Because once a Fiverr account is opened with a particular username, it can't be changed. So if you want to change your username, you have to close your account and then open another using your desired username. But note that you can't use the same email you used to open another account. What happens when you deactivate your account? Your profile and gig won't be shown on Fiverr anymore. Others will be cancelled and you won't be able to reactivate your gigs. Another thing to note is that make sure you withdraw all the funds in your account. Then you're going to be asked why you're leaving, and you can choose from these options. You are leaving because you want to change your username, right? After deactivating your account, you will receive an email that says your account has been closed. You can now proceed to creating another account using the username of your choice. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Do you have any questions or video suggestions? Post in the comment section. Thank you for watching.